Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube review video. Today is Thursday, and I am excited to show you one from one of my mentors and Jono Armstrong, who I have taken a course with, which I'll put in the links below to learn everything that I have currently when it comes to YouTube. And I'll also put a link to my Instagram and TikTok um, to mentor and his fabulous teachings as well. So let's start with Klix. Klix is a new app that is a three-step stealth funnel that sells high-ticket products that bank about $500 to $1,000 daily. They have a built-in traffic solution, and you can launch your own high-ticket business in 60 seconds or less. No products that you need to create. You don't need traffic. No ads, no BS. So I'm going to go down to Jano so you can see this is who my mentor is, and he is phenomenal. And I will let you listen to his video real quick about Klix.
Hey, my name is Jono Armstrong, and I've been making money online full-time for the past 5 years. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to tell you how my friend Andy and I were able to bank $500 to $1,000 per day using a stealth funnel. And over the past 30 days alone, we've been able to make over $100,000 combined, all pure profit. But before I get started, don't worry, this has got nothing to do with running ads, ClickFunnels, solo ads, Bitcoin, email marketing, affiliate marketing, or any of that regular stuff. This is a complete and brand new way to do business that I promise you've never seen before. You see, my friend Andy is a marketing wizard, and for the past 6 years, he's tried it all. Anything that you can think of, he did. And while he's had some success with a few of those, it was nothing big. At the best, he made a few bucks here and there. Now, he thought that he was the issue, and that he's not smart enough and maybe not talented enough to make money like the big gurus. But that wasn't the issue. You see, everything that you see online is already outdated. Once the gurus find something that makes them money, they keep on milking it until it's no longer working. And then, and only then, they release it to the public and sell it to you to make them even more money. And that's what's happened to my friend Andy. He kept following what the gurus told him to do. It was like swimming against a tsunami. He was ready to give up because after all, what he made wasn't enough to even pay his rent. But all that changed one day. And it was the day that he decided to do things a little bit differently. He decided to zig when everyone was zagging by creating his own system and his own business, not following what the gurus teach, but what they do. He combined everything that he saw them do in their business and created something of his own. But it wasn't easy. He spent thousands of dollars of his own life savings to test this thing, crafting it into a perfectly shiny diamond. It took him a solid year and lots of money until he got something that really worked. Now, when he first told me about it, I didn't think that it would work at all, or at least as good as what he portrayed it would do. Now, he calls it stealth funnel. Now, I know what you're thinking, that's a silly name, and I agree, but despite that, I decided to give it a go myself. I was about to run some ads to it, or send an email to test it with my list, when he stopped me and he told me these stealth funnels have a built-in traffic solution, and it's completely free. I was hooked. I set up everything. It took me just a few minutes and waited. And that very first day that I used it, it made me $1,104.23 in pure profit. I was shocked, but to make sure that it wasn't a fluke, I gave it to 93 beta testers to test it. And to my surprise, every single one of them made at least $300 with this system. And now I'm happy to introduce you to Klix, the world's first app that creates stealth funnels and banks us $500 to $1,000 per day on complete autopilot. Finally, an app that delivers on what it promises. An app that anyone can use to escape the recession terror. And finally, break free from the rat race. It doesn't matter what kind of experience you have. Even if you've never made a dime online before, it won't stop you. because you won't have to deal with any technical stuff. As long as you can follow dead simple instructions, you are good to go. One thing I have to make clear is that this is 100% utterly different from anything else that you've seen out there, meaning that you won't find it anywhere else, guaranteed. It works in 3 simple steps. Step number 1, log into Klix. Log into the simple, powerful Klix dashboard to get started. Step number 2, choose your stealth funnel. Pick from different stealth funnels that we provide for you, all proven to work and make us money. Step number 3, deploy. Just turn on the built-in traffic solution and relax. We've made over 100,000 this month alone, all thanks to Klix. Now I'm sure you're wondering how much it's going to cost you. Probably a lot, right? Well, we originally planned on charging $1,997 a month for this. And that's fair pricing considering how much you're going to make with it. And let's do some quick maths. All of these beta testers made at least $300 with Klix in their first few days. That's about $9,000 in pure profit a month. So you paying $1,997 for this is actually a no-brainer. But we get it, that's a lot of money to start with, and you've probably worked super hard the past couple of years and got little to no results. So we understand how frustrating that can be, and that's why we're going to offer you Klix at an unheard of discount. In fact, you can get access to Klix at the same price as a cheap dinner. You get instant access to the exact same system that we've been using to make 6 figures every single month, despite the global recession. And not only that, but if you took action right now, you will also get access to exclusive bonus packages designed specifically to supercharge your results with Klix. But you have to act now, because we want to give each one of our customers the care and support that they require to succeed. And in order to do that, we need to limit the amount of accounts that we're giving away. So once it's gone, the price will increase. So go ahead right now and click on that button down below and add this to your order. And by the way, you are protected with our 365-day money-back guarantee. So if for whatever reason you don't love Klix, just send us a message and we'll happily refund every penny that you paid. Click on the button down below and I'll look forward to seeing you on the inside.
All right, so this is for $12.97 and included with Klix system. I'm going to get you to the bonuses. And you can look through this sales page anytime you want. So let's get down to all the great bonuses that they are providing for you. Let's see. So here's bonuses. Okay. So you get to join the YouTube ads course and generate the same ROI using this relatively new traffic source. You get the $90 free ad spend is the number 2 bonus, and number 3 bonus is Jono's Bing ads course. And then I myself will include, just with my link in the description below, 20 more bonuses. Some include traffic, how to really up that Fuego breakout was a big traffic bonus. I have $100 a day using your phone. I have $350 per email you send. So grab my link with all of my exclusive bonuses included with this particular Klix software, and my mentor Jono, who is fabulous coach, fabulous at what he does, and he is always on the lookout for what makes you money. So I am about to provide that for you, and some free training courses that I've taken with Jono that are skyrocketing people's income. All right, so have a great day, and I will see you shortly.